Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Today is the day we're giving away the Racer X FPV Twig, or Speed Racer Twig. This is the frame kit that I talked about. If you didn't see the review video of this, I highly encourage you to go see what you're getting into, because this thing is a lot of fun. This was built by Adam Baum again, and I have links in the review video to where you can buy the product, as well as a kit that includes motors and camera and all the different pieces you need to assemble your own if you want to buy a fully assembled kit that someone else has selected the parts, or if you want to, you can select the parts just as you see in the review video from various sources if you choose to search those out. But you should go watch this, because I thought it was a whole lot of fun flying it, so much so that I posted 2 full flights in the review video, as well as a crash reel, one of them with sound so you can hear the impact that it takes. I thought it was a fun video. I've enjoyed returning all the comments that I've gotten on the video, and I think there's going to be more to come from Racer X. So to get in on this, it's dead simple. Be a subscriber, click the thumbs up. You know, click the thumbs up is kind of an optional thing, but yeah, click the thumbs up. I mean, come on, what's it gonna hurt you? And leave one comment, and one comment only, down in the comment section below. You can put anything you want that's not cursing. Cursing will get your comment deleted. YouTube usually pulls those off into spam or potentially spam, and then I have to either clear them or delete them from there. But if you do curse, I will delete it. Like to keep it family friendly here. I have 3 young kids, and I don't want to have a channel where I can't have them watching or looking at the comments. I will take care of the shipping, continental US. I'll throw it in probably a flat rate envelope, one of those bubble wraps. International, we'll see what the price comes in. I suspect for many places internationally, I'll cover that as well. As long as it doesn't come in, let's say, above 15 bucks US internationally, I'll go ahead and cover the international shipment as well. If you live in one of those places like Australia or New Zealand or something very, very remote from me, then we may have to split that cost. So leave your comment down below, make sure you're a subscriber, and click that thumbs up. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.